Alongside an unmarked service truck. Yep. Cool. Damn. All right, this is a first for me, man. Fire trucks responding in a snowstorm. Right on, right on. That timing, I was just in line at Timmy's right over here, and I heard the siren, I heard the Federals. Right on. Yo, man, that's the second station I get today that's coming back. Sorry, I didn't phrase it right. That's the second fire truck I get coming back to the station, I should say. Yeah, man. Second E1 for that matter. I think I got this one responding actually. Station 10.
I kept spent 1 week only working on your file.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean that lens again, that's for sure. Right on, in the snowstorm. I'm gonna have to clean the lens after this, of course. Of course. Good job, boys. Yep. And they wait for the next call. Response number 2. Oh yeah. Major. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And my fingers are frozen, but it's worth it.